Grand Rising, folks. Took a little pause over the weekend, being, last week. Like, I got no words for it, but my life is a movie right now. That's all I got. So, I took the pause over the weekend, needed to tend to my own garden. Remember, healing is about putting yourself first. So I recharged my battery and we're back at it. But over the weekend, I kept seeing Raphael pop up a few times and I took my sign as to which Archangel is next on the list. So let's get into it. This one right here. This is healing, not light a candle and pretend you're fine type energy. I'm talking about real restoration, mind, body, and energy. Because some of you aren't blocked, you're just run down, drained, overextended, still trying to function like you're not. And your system's like, yeah, no. And that's where Raphael steps in. Raphael is the frequency of healing, repair, and restoration. He doesn't rush you. He recalibrates you. So if you've been feeling a little off physically, mentally foggy, emotionally stretched, like this one is for me too. That's your signal, not to push harder, but to restore yourself. Activating him isn't complicated. None of this stuff is complicated. So, 1, state the intent, keep it clean. Raphael, restore my body, my mind, my energy, repair what's been depleted. The awareness. Where do you feel it? Body, chest, head, energy low. Don't ignore it. That's where the work is. The support. Actually give your body what it's asking for. Rest, water, real food, space. It's what I did this weekend to process everything. So, you can't call in healing and then keep running yourself into the fucking ground. Your words and actions need to be aligned. Everything needs to be synced. This isn't just spiritual. This is a full system maintenance. Let's get into Raphael's frequency. The healer, the restorer. He brings things back into proper function. You have to slow down enough to receive it. If you keep overriding your body, you delay the process. You're not in flow. You'll start to feel calmer, lighter, and clearer. Subtle improvements that build over time. People want instant healing. That's not how this fucking works. Healing is about showing yourself grace in the process. Raphael stabilizes you so you can actually sustain yourself. So when you call him in, don't be surprised if you feel the need to rest more. Your body starts asking for better habits. Things slow down so you can recover. That's not you falling behind. That's you getting put back together properly in alignment with yourself. So if you've been feeling drained, off, or not fully yourself, pause, ground yourself, and say, Raphael, restore my system, repair what's depleted. Bring me back online. Don't overcomplicate the process. Let yourself recover so you can actually function at full capacity. Because 333, when I look down, you can't pour from an empty cup. This world, this simulation wants us depleted and pouring from empty cups. Honks for confirmation. I don't know if you hear it in the background, but you gotta fill your cup first, because if your cup is overflowing, then guess what? That overflow helps those around you. You can't help somebody else till you help yourself first. There's a message in here for myself, and I'm fully aware of it. I've been paying attention to the order that these angels have been showing themselves, and I'm paying attention to what's being thrown down, if that makes any sense. But if you made it this far, you know the drill. Touch all the buttons, show me some love, because we're constantly getting graded on this app, and we're getting graded by the divine, because there's eyes always watching. Just saying. On that note, come back to see what I share next.